When you don't have time, make this delicious cake. Pour heavy cream into a bowl. Add powdered sugar and beat to a stiff cream. Crack an egg into a saucepan. Add sugar, vanilla sugar, a little flour. Mix well with a whisk. Pour milk into the same saucepan and mix again. Cook the cream, stirring continuously so that no lumps form. Add butter and stir until it melts. Put the cooled pastry cream into the bowl with the whipped cream. Beat until smooth. Put a few tablespoons of cream on the paper and spread evenly. Take puff pastry. Using a ruler, cut the dough into equal strips. Place the dough strips on the baking tray and bake for 25 minutes. Arrange a layer of pastry sticks on the cream. Spread with an even layer of cream. Repeat a few layers of baked puff pastry strips and cream. Roll the cake in baking paper and chill for 1 hour. Put a few ice cubes in a glass. Add a slice of lemon. Pour in condensed milk. Add freshly squeezed juice from half a lemon, strawberries. Fill the glass with water and stir the drink. Take out the chilled cake. Toast almond flakes in a dry pan. Sprinkle the roll with almond flakes and chill for another hour. I got an adorable cake with lots of delicate cream. Although it looks simple at first glance, the cake is addictive right after you taste it.